Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, Indian Army. Yesterday we have seen areas of responsibility of geographical command. Means there are different command related because India is a vast country, and that's why there are different geographical commands in India which responsible for this particular region. Now today we are going to learn organization and composition of the army. Organization and composition of army. Means there are different organizations and units which go to make up the army. Means that different organization, different unit that go to make up the army, and these are classified under two major heads. There are two major heads. These organization and unit, it's classified into two major heads. First is combat arms and second is logistic support services. Okay, logistic support services. Combat, first we are going to learn combat arms. Combat means fight arms. Combat means fighting. Okay, fighting arms. Means here are given some fighting arms. Picture of fighting arms. Okay, now see fighting arms. It's the first armor corps. Okay, armor corps means it's a military vehicle. Okay, which run by on the land. Then next is artillery. See, it is second artillery. It is also means we are saying that like it's a run gada. Okay, means that is also run on land. Then next is engineers. See, engineers means for it's that engineer. It's combat arms that for means make the plan to how to, if there is for example if there is water area, that time they use this engineer combat arms. Okay, then next is infantry. Infantry means soldier who fight on foot, mounted can. Okay, soldiers who fight on foot. It's related to mounted. Okay, it's related to mounted and technical troop. Okay, technical troop. Then next is corps of signal. Corps of signal. Okay, see, it's also a vehicle. It's run by run on land. Okay, then next is means that gives the signal to the fighting arms. Then next is army air defense. Means it is run on land, but that is means fight with the in the air. Okay. Then next is army aviation. Aviation means that art of science and making flying aircraft. Okay, flying aircraft that help to the Indian army. Okay. Then next is like means here it is like a helicopter. And then next is army intelligence corps. It is means it gives the secret. Okay, it's the intelligence, military intelligence combat arms that give secret about the enemy to the army, Indian army. Okay, that gives secret about the enemy or about the hostile also, that give to the Indian army. Like this way, these are the combat arms in Indian army. Then next part, logistic support services. See, logistic support services. There are also means logistic means to supply, maintenance and transportation of equipment, facilities, procurement, purchasing department. These are included in the logistic support services. And here are means these are the different units or organization in the related to Indian army. Okay. Now see, first we are means here is given the logo of these different organization or unit. Okay, and their names. different organization and units name. First is Army Service Corps, means ASC. Army Service Corps means that it's the work of that logistic support services, ration, transportation and petroleum product. Okay, means to provide the transportation facilities, petroleum product or ration to the Indian Army. Then next is Army Ordnance Corps. Army Ordnance Corps. It's the means that is in short it is AOC. Means that work is armament, ammunition, vehicles, equipment and clothing. Means that Army Ordnance Corps, this unit provide the army armament. Okay, ammunition. Ammunition means whatever there is fuels need to the vehicles or to for fight some material. Okay, some equipment related to fighting and clothing to the soldiers. Okay, it's the work of this Army Ordnance Corps. Then next is Electronics and Mechanic Engineer Corps. It means in short EME. And that the work of this repairs and recovery of weapons and equipment. Means whatever the related to Indian Army weapons and equipment, if there is any problem or difficulties, then they means this unit work for to repairs and recovery of these weapons and equipment. Then next is Army Medical Corps, AMC. Means that take care of soldiers medical care and treatment. Okay, means if any soldiers injure or if any soldier need the medical help, that time this department help to these soldiers. Okay, then next is Army Dental Corps, ADC. Means it take the dental care and treatment of soldier. Then next is Army Education Corps, AEC. It's the human resource development for the means if there is need to be a training to the soldier, then training or education for the soldiers children. Means that is the Army Education Corps. Okay. Then next is Remount and Veterinary Corps, means RVC. Its work of this unit is medical care of army dogs, horses and mules. Okay, mules means it is also means it's the animal like a horse. Okay, means there is also department for this. If there is a medical dogs, horses and mules are there, then the department take care of these animals. Then next is military police, MP. Okay, means that work for the traffic control and discipline. Okay, means work of this department is traffic control and discipline. Then next is Judge Advocate Branch, legal support. Means these department give the legal support to the Indian Army. Okay, JAG. Then last is Pioneer. It's the work of these pioneers is military labor in forward war zone. Means if there is need to be a labor, okay, then this department provide the labor for to help to the Indian Army. Like this way, these are the logistic service departments. Okay, different units are there. And now like this way our lesson finish. You have to solve this. Here is given easy question, match the pictures given below with the relevant combat arm of the army. Means which some names are, for example, infantry. Which picture is related to infantry or corps of engineer? We learn about already these pictures and this name. Then you have to match this. And then second question is, make a chart showing on the ranks insignia for the Indian Army and the stick it in the class. It's a chart activity. You have to prepare the chart. Okay, means you have to Here also you can write this rank insignias for the Indian Army. Okay, and like this way our lesson finished. Indian Army. Okay, thank you.